Bradford is a great place to innovate, it's a great place for entrepreneurs, and we want to demonstrate how that reads across into this decarbonisation challenge. And from the work that's been done this year on this project, as can be seen in the prospectus, we think that's a really encouraging start.
I've worked in manufacturing for over 40 years, in fact all my career. I find it really exciting, and in the last 12 years I've worked in Bradford, and it's really key that manufacturing is really important within the Bradford district. In fact, manufacturing has been core to Bradford in the 19th century, 20th century, and it faces challenges now which we've never seen before. And that main challenge is, how do we move towards a net zero economy while still remaining competitive?
Texpelt is part of the Think group based in Bradford. Our company heritage goes back over 170 years. We operate in the space of manufacturing polyurethane equivalent products and fully sustainable products for flooring, upholstery, insulation and specialist markets. We felt that being part of the Bradford project would hopefully allow us to see a vision of what might come in the future, but also to allow us to help plan for a carbon neutral future based in Bradford.
A £1.1 million programme supported by Innovate UK has seen us working and helping to lead the programme with some of our key manufacturers, including Solenis, Progimax, Denso Marston, Calby, Teconex, and all these companies are then spreading their knowledge to clusters in the district, helping us to pull forward technologies that will help to decarbonise industrial processes, but also give Bradford a competitive advantage.
We've achieved a lot already. We've done a year and a bits project, which has allowed us to survey over 45% of the region's industrial carbon emissions. But we don't want to stop there. We need to survey more industry, engage more industry, collaborate more, so we've got collective plans on a local level, and it informs a wider West Yorkshire cluster, and we get the right infrastructure at the right time to industry.
We've all got different challenges, but we all use electricity, and we're all very keen to look at how we can improve our bottom line and at the same time improve our impact on the climate.
The collaboration between individual sites provides more opportunities to decarbonise and look at infrastructure as a bigger piece of the jigsaw. We've also been engaging with Northern Power Grid and NESO to look at more of the infrastructural requirements, both from the top down but also from the site needs to support and facilitate their decarbonisation programmes.
Within Denso, we already have a comprehensive system to reduce energy and also to reduce carbon output. But what we do lack is the exposure to other industries. That does make us quite insular within the automotive industry, and what we found with CR Plus was that they helped us see other technologies from other industries that are applicable to our business or can be modified to suit our business, which can drive us towards a carbon neutral even quicker.
We've provided a geospatial model, a data model driven by publicly available data and site-specific information to really provide a picture of the overall decarbonisation route. But yeah, we're based here in northwestern Yorkshire and have an interest in all things going on here. And yeah, we've got involved in the Bradford Manufacturing Futures project with the aim to produce a region-wide roadmap and investment prospectus.
We've already got really promising results that our economy is growing quicker than the north of England and the UK as a whole, and this programme will help us to be at the forefront of not only decarbonisation but economic growth and clean economic growth going forward.